Bangkri si Carbing Long Term Council Executive Member at tumapan Sai Kampek Pon Tanglo. Bogojan Town Committee Street Light ki Piasai ki Oy. Pliang Deng Joint Action Committee for Otelmas Amhang Ketek Arni Katalon. Kardom nilikar bebirta tamang thre chisong teron non birtang ton pen arjek tham. Kiramtang pai ni pai crazy Arni Carbing Long Term Council CM Tuliram Ronghang ay hinpen bang crazy MEC tumapan Carbi ang Long Term Council Executive Member ang hoy pang nipon dadapi pai ni pai ketom Arni abang putin ay tumapan sai kamarpu pekpon tanglo.
Carbing Long Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang kepek pona teng pen EM Prodib Rong Piapan PHE Industry and Commerce EM Jagot Singing Tiapan Higher Education, Adult and Technical Education, etc. Khonsing Rong Piapan Health and Family Welfare Lapen Printing and Stationery Rotonderon upon Town and Country Planning Town Committee Affairs Lapen Handloom and Textile Rupsing Deron upon Fishery, Revenue and Land Reforms, etc. Tarendra Brahma upon Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Lapen Dairy Development Kachirong BP upon Social Welfare Lapen ICDS Madhur Jyoti Kelpukan upon Soil Conservation DRDA Archaeology Lapen Museum EM Raju Tiso upon Sericulture Cooperative Lapen Excise EM Amor Singh Tiso upon Irrigation Information and Public Relation Water Resource Lapen Weight and Measures EM Prodip Dipusa upon Food and Civil Supply and Consumer Affairs Lapen Transport Si Bangkri Si EM Atuma upon Saikam Petponlo Lapen Carbing Long Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang Amitang along Finance Personnel Lapen Penangana Saikam ke Amitang along Chabi Ponlo.
Bogojan Town Committee ke parlo angkang Ward nong 7 ando. La award tinalong ta pini Arni anta Misen Street Light Pipon Tekthelang.
Ongdung araratum kacithan pon ki puja hutsi salam pon chot mate light ta pakar pon chot titi. Puja le kijud lote light amata kijud ason mandet. Tang tela bangso street light ki pipon ki puja urapan chot loma puta ongdung araratum pen cithan pon renti. Lapen non komaratum si kelang pon jilang. Mesen pen Bogojan Town Committee ke parlo angkang an light ke pakar et tekji lapen kapa karwer tekji apan ongdung cerok tok araratum tawar tulang renti.
KSA Conference Hall along Longthang Dipu along pai ni pai ke Tom Arni ada porpai kebra chitima porpen ingdeng pi Joint Action Committee for Autonomous State Jaka samhang ketek Arni talon pon.
Pai ni pai ke thomar ni ada porpai kebra chitima porpen KSA Conference Hall Longthang Dipu along Pliang Deng Joint Action Committee for Autonomous State mahang ketek Arni katalon pon. Jakas amai pukhor sing teron pen song alama pangchar ponsi khai la pen longri long parapan apran kachipi khaya nokbe Rahul Singh narapan kachikimu angdeng along Jakas Bidisar NK Milik pensi Japon.
Kedamtang jakong ni pai ingko retrok siar ni pen ni pai thongkep arni an kasojan Tinsukia along thongkep rapli angdeng All Assam Taekwondo Championship along Carbing Long Taekwondo Association at Tumpenta Chepati dun pen nongmi kewan.
Jakong ni pai ingko retrok si pen ni pai thongkep arni an Niplia Parman Tinsukia Taekwondo Association at Tumpen Chepatir Piponsi ingdeng thongkep rapli All Assam Taekwondo Championship kapatu padopon. Labangso kapatu along Carbing Long Taekwondo Association atum penta. Bang trainer kep taekwondo kapatu abang pu bang piatum ta cepate dun. Lapen bangso ka cepate along Carbing Long pen junior boys category under 48 kg along Thon Killing silver medal. Junior category boys under 44 kg along Rinku Moni Bora bronze. Lapen senior category men's under 58 kg along Rana Ramchari silver medal long dun. Labangso championship along Carbing Long atima pan taekwondo than bang kamsing hanse pensi Japon lo.
Birta bang kilapan si kang ton poniklo laing bom tha kat news channel dumit help me kurang thu.